Bookmarks always help you to quick access the web pages you browse the most. Hey there, I'm Neha from About Technology, and in today's video I'll show you the method to bookmark a web page in Safari browser of your iPhone. Tap on the Safari browser of your iPhone and visit the website to which you want to bookmark. For example, I want to bookmark the official website of About Technology, that is qhow.com, and here it has loaded the page. Now at the bottom of the page you can see there is a book icon. Press hold that book icon and from the displayed option tap on Add Bookmark. You can notice it has taken URL of the website along with its title. Now tap on the location section and here you can decide to which folder you want to save your bookmark. You can even create a new folder to save your bookmark. I want to save my bookmark in Technical Bookmarks, so I'll tap on that and further I have to tap on Save. Done. Your bookmark is saved. But how will you get this bookmark? To get the bookmark, simply tap on the book icon of your Safari browser. Go to the folder to which you have saved your bookmark. As I have saved it in Technical Bookmark, so I'll tap on that and here I'll get my bookmark. Learning how to add bookmark, let us discuss how you can edit a bookmark. To edit a bookmark, just tap on the bookmark icon of Safari browser and it will display all the bookmarks folder. Tap on the folder which has the bookmark that you want to edit. I would like to edit a bookmark that I have recently edited to Technical Bookmarks folder. So I'll tap on that. Here at the right bottom of your screen you can see a edit button. Tap on that edit button and it will let you select which bookmark you want to edit. Suppose I want to edit the first bookmark, that is Google, so I'll tap on that. It allows you to edit the title and URL of your bookmark. For example, I would edit the title to YouTube and URL to www.youtube.com. Tap on Done and you can see that I have successfully edited the first bookmark. To save the changes, again tap on Done. If you feel, you can also delete the bookmark. For that, press hold the bookmark and from the displayed options tap on Delete. Or you can simply swipe the bookmark towards left and it will prompt a delete button using which you can delete the bookmark. So this is how you can add a bookmark, edit a bookmark and delete a bookmark in Safari browser. For more description and explanatory screenshot, please refer our official website qhow.com. I had given URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel About Technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comments and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself.